अरे एड्रेस भेजना अरे ए एड्रेस भेजना तू एड्रेस भेजना साले दो व्हाट विल आई मैम मैम यू प्लीज पागल हूँ क्या मैं क्या अभी मैं अरे तुम क्यों बात कर रहा है तुम्हारा प्रॉब्लम नहीं है तो निकलो इधर से if you made mistakes then correct it and give it back or take the order and give me half of the money you keep hello ma'am tell me one thing what is this all the pieces are defected in this all the pieces are defected in this all the logos are defected and all the logo quality is defected and once check your WhatsApp please check your WhatsApp once please all the logos are defected ma'am how can I sell this please tell me please tell me how can I sell this logos are doubled and in one logos are 2 inch in one logos are 3 inch what is this ma'am I've paid all the money I've trusted you please don't do this to me
WhatsApp not received.
what not received one second one second ma'am why is the logo double and the see the color of the logo please all the logos are defected ma'am how can I sell this you please tell me how can I sell this Ma'am, ma'am, polyester or non-polyester, it doesn't matter. Please, one thing, I'll clear you one thing. See, I'll clear you one thing. I have paid all. Ma'am, it's not about. Ma'am, you are talking and you are not letting me speak at all. Okay. First, I'll tell you, I have taken so many pieces. I cannot even sell one piece in that. How can I make profits? You made your profit. You sold all the pieces. Yeah, I paid for the transportation and everything. And I told you, you should. Check every pieces before you send me. I don't want defected pieces because the previous manufacturer has sent me all these kind of things, right? Now you have taken all the money, okay? You have sent me you have sold everything, okay? Your shop is your manufacturer is working. Ma'am, please take this back. I cannot sell this. I told you specially. I want 1 inches logo, okay? And why is it 2 or 3 inches logo in that?
Sir, wait. Polyester.
Ma'am, polyester, if you cannot do it on polyester, you should tell me. Ma'am, if you cannot make on polyester, you should tell you cannot make. I told you black color, right? I told you black color, right? You told me to change the color. I changed the color. Now you're telling me polyester. How can I sell this? You tell me. The thing is, how can I sell this? That is. How? No, ma'am. You have sold to me, right? What will I do with these many pieces now?
Polyester piece, DTF sticker.
Ma'am, if you cannot do polyester DTF sticker, you tell me you cannot do, then don't take the order. Don't take the order. Why did you take? Why? Ma'am, it's not about trying, ma'am. I have to sell this to someone. I have to sell this to someone. You see that, no? Only you are doing the business. I'm not doing any business.
Okay, final, sir. Okay, we are not any changes.
Ma'am, I cannot sell this to anyone. I cannot sell this to anyone. That is the thing.
Possible.
What, ma'am, your hard work. What will I do with your hard work now? I cannot sell these things. I cannot sell these things. What will I do with your hard work? You made your profits. What will I do? I have paid you money for this. Ma'am, it doesn't matter. Ma'am, it doesn't matter if it's overheated. If it is overheated, it doesn't matter. How can I sell this? You tell me. If you are giving me any products, how can I sell this to someone? How will I sell? You tell me. How will I sell? It doesn't matter if you have done hard work. It doesn't matter if you have done hard work. It doesn't matter if it is polyester and the labels are not. If it is not happening, you tell me it is not happening. Why are you giving me defective pieces? Why are you giving me the double logo stickers? Why are you giving me all defected pieces? Ma'am, it doesn't matter if it color changes or not changes, ma'am. You have to give me good pieces, no? the previous.
DTH sticker.
Ma'am, please understand. I cannot sell this. I can. You have sold me this. I cannot sell this. You understand, please.
First office.
What to understand? You have made your money, right? You have made your money, right? You have made your money, right? Ma'am, see, ma'am, it doesn't matter. You don't tell me your problems. You don't tell me your problems. Please, you don't tell me your problems because I cannot sell this to anyone. What will I do with this? What will I, ma'am, you, please, I'm telling you, please. See, I'll come there and I'll make a case, okay? I'll come there and I'll make a case. I swear. I'll come there and I'll make a case. So because see, I have paid money and you are giving me all these defective pieces. I told you clearly before taking the order that previous manufacturer has done this. I don't want any defective pieces. So I want good pieces. So I have trusted you. And I have given you. See, I'll post this on social media, okay? I'll post this on social media. I swear, I'll post this on social media. I will post this on social media. I swear. I will post this on social media, ma'am. Ma'am, I am posting this on social media. I swear, I am posting this on social media. It doesn't matter, ma'am. Don't take the order if it doesn't not having, please, or else I'll give you this. I'll give you this product. You take it full. You. It doesn't matter, ma'am. It doesn't matter. Ma'am, doesn't matter. It doesn't matter if it is not happening. If it is not happening, don't take the order. If it is not happening, don't take the order. From anybody. Okay, I paid you the money, right? I'll send you this order. I'll send you back. You pay me half money. Take the half money. It doesn't matter. If it doesn't, ma'am, what will I do with this? तुम्ही घेऊन गेला होता? Ma'am, tell me what will I do with this? I will sue. Okay, I will case on this because I'll show everybody. I'll show on social media. I swear. No issue. You're telling no issue. So no issues. It doesn't matter, ma'am. Ma'am, it doesn't matter if the fabric. If it is not happening, you tell me it is not happening. Why are you taking my money and giving all this rubbish shit? I will show this on social media, I swear, because these are 200 pieces, not one or two. These are 200 pieces, and I paid money. Okay, I paid more than you asked. You have changed them. You have changed all your words. You have changed all the prices. Okay, when I was giving the order, you have changed everything. You take this back. I don't want anything. You pay me half the money. You keep the half money. Okay, you keep half of the money. You take. Please, ma'am, please don't make me do anything that is going to be bad for you. Okay, please. I don't want to spoil your business. Or if you are doing this, then I'll post everything on social media. Then you see what is happening, what is not happening. Okay, I will post all your address and everything. Because see, I cannot sell this to anyone. That is the problem. Okay. I cannot sell this bullshit things because this is nothing I can sell. Okay, see the this thing, see the quality of the product. Ma'am, you take this product. Ma'am, this is not happening. I cannot sell this to anyone. This is not happening. I have paid you the money. I have trusted you, right?
The person you are speaking with has put your call on hold. Please stay on the line.
Hello.
Hello.
சார் நான் அந்த டிடிஎஃப் ஸ்டிக்கர் ஒன்று பண்ணேன் இல்லையா, டபிள்யூ சொல்லி லோகோ போட்டு பண்ணேன் இல்லையா சார் உங்கள்கிட்ட? அது ஒரு கலர் டிரான்ஸ்பரண்ட் ஆகுதுன்னு சொன்னாங்களே, அந்த பையர் லைன்ல இருக்காரு.
Sir, all the stickers are defected. All the 200 pieces stickers are defected. What will I do with this?
சொல்லி புரிய வைங்க சார். அவருக்கு புரிய மாட்டேங்குது. வளர்க்குறாரு.
सर अभी वो जो भी डिफेक्टेड हो क्या है?
सर डिफेक्टेड 200 पीस डिफेक्टेड है सर. मुझे बेचना है आगे इधर जाके. 2 महीने से वेट कर रहा हूँ ऑर्डर का. पागल हूँ क्या मैं? क्या अभी मैं तुम्हारा घर चल रहा है ना? 200 पीस मैंने दिया था ऑर्डर.
सर अभी
200 पीस है सर. 200 पीस है, पूरा डिफेक्टेड है.
मैंने चला के दे दिया.
अरे चला के दे दिया? क्या चला के दे दिया तुमने? तुम कुछ भी दे दोगे फिर? कुछ भी दे दोगे?
क्या कुछ भी देते? क्या रेट दे रहे?
ए ज्यादा बात मत कर, आके मारूंगा उधर।
हेलो भैया, हेलो भैया,
अभी दिखाता हूँ तेरे को, रुक, तेरे को दिखाता हूँ साले,
हेलो भैया,
तेरे को दिखाता हूँ, रुक। तू किधर किधर, तेरा एड्रेस दे मेरे को, तेरा एड्रेस दे, एड्रेस दे, तेरा एड्रेस दे, तमिलनाडु का है ना, एड्रेस दे साले। हाँ एड्रेस दे, भेज भेज, एड्रेस भेज, एड्रेस भेज, तू भेज रे। अरे बाबा एड्रेस भेज, एड्रेस भेज।
हेलो भैया, आप बिजनेस करते हैं ना, वो ऐसा ही दे देने का क्या? कुछ भी देने का क्या? हाँ, पैसा
अरे
देने
अरे 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 तुम ज्यादा बात कर रहे ना, तुम अरे अरे तुम्हारे में दम है, तुम एड्रेस भेज, एड्रेस भेज तुम। अरे एड्रेस भेजना, एड्रेस भेजना, अरे ये एड्रेस भेजना, तू एड्रेस भेजना, एड्रेस भेजना साले। 200 पीस देता मेरे को, हाँ 200 पीस डिफेक्टेड देता मेरे को, हाँ। अरे तू दिया ना, उनको दिया ना तू।
मैं क्या दिया तेरे को पता है क्या? तू कौन? मेरे को पता है क्या?
अरे तेरे को दम है ना, तू अभी ज्यादा बात कर रहा था ना, तू ज्यादा बात कर रहा था ना। ना 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 अरे पॉलिस्टर ट्रांसपेरेंट, अरे जो भी प्रॉब्लम है तो मत करो ना, जो भी प्रॉब्लम है तो मत करो ना, काम मत करो ना, काम मत करो ना फिर। अरे प्रॉब्लम है तो काम मत करो, प्रॉब्लम है तो काम मत करो, काम मत करो। अरे प्रॉब्लम है तो काम मत करो भाई, प्रॉब्लम है।
वही बात करना पड़ेगा।
अरे तुम दिया ना 200 पीस अभी, अरे तुम 200 पीस दिया ना मेरे को, तुम 200 पीस दिया ना मेरे को, अब मत देना, कब देना? तू किसको दिया फिर, तू किसको दिया, तू किसको दिया फिर?
उनसे बात कर सकते।
किसको? मैम ही इज टेलिंग मी टू टॉक टू यू, नॉट हिम। Okay, he is telling me it is your problem now, not his. Yeah, he is telling me it is your problem, not his problem.
Sir, only we are doing only stitching only.
Ma'am, if you are doing stitching only, then don't take order for DTF stickers. If you are doing stitching only, why are you spoiling someone else's business? Why are you? क्या? हाँ बोलो। हाँ बोल। अरे आराम से सुनने का नहीं है भाई, मैंने पैसा दिया है, इतना माल आया है घर पे।
अभी मैं क्या बोल रहा हूँ, अभी पैसा दिया ना, इसको जो भी सॉर्ट आउट करना है प्रॉब्लम, उसके बारे में बात करना पड़ेगा।
अरे सॉल्व क्या करोगे भाई, सॉल्व क्या करोगे?
फायदा नहीं।
अरे फायदा भाई, तुम मेरे से ऐसे उछल के बात किया तो मैं क्या सुन के बैठूंगा क्या? पैसा दिया इधर माल का।
मैं क्या बोल रहा हूँ, मैं उछल के बात नहीं कर रहा,
हाँ।
आप चिल्ला रहे हैं।
हाँ मैं चिल्लाऊंगा भाई, मेरा ऑर्डर गलत आया, मेरा ऑर्डर गलत आया तो मैं चिल्लाऊंगा। हाँ भाई देखो मैं वापस भेज रहा हूँ, ठीक है? अरे किसको? तुम उनको पूछो ना, तुमको क्यों कॉल लगाया फिर? तुमको क्यों लगाया भाई? तुम क्यों बात कर रहे हो फिर? तुम क्यों बात कर रहा है? अरे तुम क्यों बात कर रहा है? तुम्हारा प्रॉब्लम नहीं है तो निकलो इधर से। अरे बाबा तुमको कॉल क्यों किया है उन्होंने? तुम्हारा प्रॉब्लम है इसीलिए तुमको कॉल किया ना, तुम्हारा प्रॉब्लम है इसीलिए तुमको कॉल किया ना। अगर तुम्हारा बात नहीं है तो निकलो इधर से, उनसे बात करता हूँ मैं। अरे उनसे बात, अरे तुम्हारा प्रॉब्लम है क्या इसमें? तुम्हारा कुछ है क्या? तुम्हारा कुछ है क्या इसमें? अरे बाबा तुम्हारा कुछ है क्या? हेलो मैम, प्लीज do something, make it proper ma'am, make it proper, because I have paid you. Ma'am, it is not my problem. I told you before, check 10 times and give me, check 10 times and give me, check 10 times and give me, check 10 times and give me.
The person you
Hello.
ಮೇಡಮ್
हेलो
अभी बोलो सर, फीस इधर उन्होंने देंगे, मैं फिलहाल मार के बता रहा हूँ, आप ओके बोला तो
मैं सर देखिए, आप बना के दो, ठीक है? आप बना के दो, ठीक है, पर उसका लोगो का मार्क नहीं होना चाहिए, बस वही है।
वो नहीं आएगा भाई, खाली 600 रुपीज पर लीटर का आता है।
भाई वो तुम लोग देख लो ना यार, तुम गलती करोगे मैं पेमेंट करूंगा। अभी उन्होंने बोला कि ट्रांसपोर्टेशन चार्ज है वो सब इंक्लूडेड है। अब वो वहां जाके बोल रहे हैं कि ट्रांसपोर्टेशन चार्ज पे करना पड़ेगा। अब इनको पूछा मैंने, ये बोलते हैं कि मेरा प्रॉफिट नहीं हो रहा है, मैं नहीं कर सकती, यहाँ पे चार्जेस ज्यादा हो गया है, यहाँ पे ये हो गया है। अरे सब चीज का मैं ही पे करूंगा क्या यार? तुम लोग गलती करोगे मैं पे करूंगा सब चीज का। वाह अरे बाबा मैं बोल रहा हूँ सब चीज तुम गलती करोगे, मैं पे करता रहूंगा क्या हर चीज का? तुम भी तो कुछ करो यार। तुम्हारा तो सोल्ड आउट हो गया ना, मेरा नहीं होगा ये एक भी पीस नहीं जाएगा इसमें से। भाई एक बात मैं बता रहा हूँ, ये तुम लोगों का 200 पीस। अरे भाई सुनो सुनो, तुम्हारा 200 पीस सेल हो गया ना, तुम्हारा 200 पीस सेल हो गया ना, है ना भाई? तुम्हारा पीस सेल हो गया ना, मेरा एक भी सेल नहीं होगा इसमें, एक भी नहीं होगा सेल मेरा। तो मैं क्या करूंगा? ना प्रॉफिट बच रहा है, ना सिर्फ तुम लोग गलती कर रहे हो और मैं पे कर रहा हूँ, गलती कर रहे हो मैं पे कर रहा हूँ, तो ये क्या बात है? तो तुम भी तो कुछ करो ना, तुम भी कुछ करो, ठीक है? हेलो 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 हाँ मैम, नाउ ही इज टेलिंग आई हैव टू पे फॉर हिज रिमूवल ऑल्सो। ही एवरीबडी इज मेकिंग मिस्टेक, आई एम ओनली द वन पेइंग हियर ना। You tell me I have to do business or not? Ma'am, it doesn't matter. If it is not happening, just don't take the order. Don't take the order if it's not happening.
You asked the details, okay?
Ma'am, I asked if you cannot do it, just tell me you cannot do it and finish it. Don't take the order.
Please, sir, polyester heavy.
It doesn't matter, ma'am. It doesn't matter. If you cannot do it, just don't take the order. If you cannot do it, just don't take the order. If you cannot do it, just don't take the order. Okay? If you cannot do it, just don't take the order. And if you have taken the order, then do it proper. That is the only thing I'm asking. If you have taken the order, just do it proper. If you have made mistakes, then correct it and give it back. Or take the order and give me half of the money. Half of the money you keep. Okay? Take the order back, give me half of the money you keep. I don't want half of the money.
Not possible, sir.
Not possible. Why is it not possible when I have to bear all the losses here?
Not possible. Already many lost my amount.
Oh,
Okay?
oh, that's why you're making me loss now. That's why you're making me loss. Now what I should do? You tell me. I will send the order back. 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 You make it proper and give it back. Okay?
Create a price, sir.
I don't care, ma'am. I don't care. My money is gone. My money is gone. I don't care if you're facing the loss. If you're doing whatever you're doing, I don't care at all. I want my product proper because I have to sell it to someone else. Okay? I have to sell it to someone else. I have to sell it to someone else. Please.
Wait, I will call you.
You are not calling me again. You are not calling me again. You are not calling me again. You tell me right now. You tell me right now. You tell me right now. You tell me right now.
Any I am accepted. I must discuss DTF party. Okay?
I don't care. Did you not check the order before you sent? Did you not check the order? Did you not check the order before you sent me? Did you not check the order? Did you not check the order before you sent me? Did you not check the order before you sent me? Did you not check? Did you not check? Did you not check?
What I do?
Did you not check?
Five times.
I don't care. I have paid you the money just for the product. I don't care what problems you are facing. It is not my problem. You tell me. Are you making it proper or not?
Sir,
Are you doing it right?
okay.
What?
Sir, first order, we are managing.
I don't care, ma'am. I don't care. My money is gone. You take this order back. You give me half of the money. Ma'am, please.
First, sir.
What?
I discuss first the DTF party. Wait.
I don't care, ma'am. You discuss or not discuss. See, this is not my problem. Please, I'm telling you. Take this back. Make it proper. And why is the logo 2 inch?
Wait.
Why is the logo 2 inch?
I'm not well, okay?
It doesn't matter, ma'am. Okay, you're not well. You see, you're not well, right? You don't want all these problems. Just pay my money back and finish it. Okay, fine. Okay, fine. You call me right back.
Why not give me time?
Because, ma'am, I have to sell this. I'm waiting from 2.5 months now.
Wait.
गाइस अभी ऐसा तो नहीं चलेगा यार, नहीं अभी तो करना पड़ेगा कुछ। गाइस ये देखिए इतना सारा है और इसमें और आधा बचा है यार, पता नहीं क्यों करते यार लोग ऐसे। अभी देखता हूँ क्या होता है। अभी ये पोस्ट नहीं करूँगा मैं, अभी ये जो आप देख रहे हो ना, ये अभी पोस्ट नहीं होगा। ये पता है कब पोस्ट होगा? 1 या 2 दिन बाद, जब वो मना करेंगे ना तब पोस्ट करूँगा, देखना। देखते हैं क्या होता है। मम्मी, आपको आज का वो प्रोडक्ट आया था, कैसा लगा?
बकवास तो था, बट पता नहीं ऐसा क्यों हो रहा है।
वो इतना सारा माल आया, सब बकवास आया,
बहुत
सब
बुरा लग रहा है,
सब बकवास आया।
बहुत अफसोस हो रहा है।